Now come to this particular question ID number 38. How will you deal with this particular issue? See, they have already got a imported machinery on 15/9. Whenever date is given, that half rate, full rate, you can see it by yourself now. Custom duty is 20%. So whatever is the duty, that is 20%. So that I'm going to add it up. The company claimed input credit of 1 crore. Now explanation to section 43(1), I think explanation 9. 1 second, let me check. Yeah, this explanation 9. Okay, this makes it very clear that whatever the credit that if you are taking the input credit, to that extent you cannot get a depreciation on that. So you cannot get a credit under indirect tax law and benefit of depreciation under income tax law. Even GST law is very clear on this particular front. So this is going to be the cost. Okay, and the rate of depreciation is this. Okay, so this is the cost of the asset. On that you will have to multiply with the rate of depreciation. However, the additional depreciation and all that, you can always write a note, but even if it is asked, then you can just multiply additional depreciation depending on the condition. So just multiply and get the answer. No big deal in this particular question.